Hello and welcome to Sebwak TV. Today on Sebwak TV we have a question we want to look at under sets. One of our subscribers sent to us to solve it for, so I want us to look at that. The question says that given that x equals 1 plus square root of 2 and y equals 1 minus square root of 2, solve 5x plus 5y and also 2xy and also x squared plus y squared. Now the first one is x. First one is 5x plus 5y. Now with 5x plus 5y, we know that they are saying that x is what? 1 plus square root of 2 and y is what? 1 minus square root of 2. So we have to just substitute first. So you're going to get 5 bracket 1 plus square root of 2 bracket close plus 5 bracket the y is what? 1 minus square root of 2. So now what do we do from here? After substituting the x and y, what do? We have to simplify. So as we do for bracket, the same thing. So 5 times 1 gives us 5 plus 5 times square root of 2 will give us 5 root 2, then plus 5 times 1 again gives us 5. Now 5 times minus square root of 2 gives us minus 5 root 2. Now from there we can see clearly that the bracket is gone, but we can see that this term we can also see that this one, the 5 root 2 here and 5 root 2 here, one is negative and one is positive, so it will go away. So this and this will go away, right? This is plus 5 root 2 and this is minus 5 root 2. It's like plus 1 and minus 1, so it will go away. So when it goes away, we will be left with 5 plus 5, and that will give us what? 10. So that's our final answer for the first one. I hope it's clear. Now the second one says that the second one is 2xy. The same thing, we will fix in the x and the y given in the question. So we're going to get 2 bracket, the x is 1 plus square root of 2 bracket close, then I'll continue with my y 1 minus square root of 2. So what do we do from here? We have to open the bracket. Now we have a term outside and 2 brackets, so you can I'll choose to replace the 2 first, then solve the one in the bracket first. How do we solve 2 brackets? Open 2 brackets. Every term in the first bracket multiplies every term in the second bracket. So 1 times 1 here gives me 1. Then 1 times square root of 2 give me minus square root of 2. Now plus square root of 2 times 1 will give you plus square root of 2, and also plus square root of 2 times minus square root of 2 will give us minus 2. Someone will say why? Because if I have square root of 2 times square root of 2, the answer is 2, because this one means, the first one means 2 raised to the power half, then the second one also means 2 raised to the power half. So half plus half is 1, and that in indices, when the numbers are the same, we add the powers. When they are multiplying, we add the powers. So half plus half gives you 1, so we are going to get 2 raised to the power 1. That is what 2. That's why we are getting 2 over here. So from there we'll simplify. So we have 2 bracket 1 will come. Now minus root 2 plus root 2 gives 0, because like plus minus 1 plus 1. Then we have minus 2 here. So now we are going to get 2 outside, then minus 1 inside. So our final answer will be what? Minus what? 2 for the second one. Are we good? Now for the third one, they are saying that x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So let's fix in the values. So the x square, we have 1 plus square root of 2 square plus 1 minus square root of 2 square. So that is it. So we'll simplify this and simplify that as well. So in the first bracket, we are going to get 1 plus square root of 2 bracket close, another bracket 1 plus square root of 2 bracket close, then plus first bracket 1 minus square root of 2 bracket close, another 1 minus square root of 2 bracket close. Now from there, what do? We simplify, we open the two brackets, right? So we are going to get, let me clean this side and let's continue over here. Let me clean this side and let's continue over here. Okay, so as we are opening the bracket, we are going to get, we are going to get 1 times 1 for the first two brackets. 1 times 1 is 1, right? Then 1 times square root of 2 gives me plus square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times 1 gives me plus square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times square root of 2 gives us plus 2. That's for the first bracket. Then plus another one, it will be 1. But 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times minus square root of 2 give me minus square root of 2. Then square root minus square root of 2 times 1 will give you minus square root of another 2. Then minus square root of 2 times minus square root of 2 give us plus 2. So now we can see clearly that this side and this side, this is plus and this is minus, so it will go away, right? Good. So we are having, after that, the square roots, all the square roots go away. We will be having 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2. So this side will give us 3 and this side will give us plus minus 1. So 3 plus minus 1 will give us what? 2. So that will be our final answer for the third one. Thank you very much for joining me and see you soon. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.